Hi, Madison. So this video is just for you, and we're gonna go over your homework. It looks like a lot of this stuff that you did is pretty good, maybe almost just a little bit off for some of them, but like for the most part, the important stuff, it looks like you got down. Okay, so let's take a look at number one. It says write this in expanded form, and that one, number one, you did perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and just say don't have to fix that one. That one looks good. Let's take a look at number two. It says write the number name for 43,080,700. This is where it gets a little technical, and I don't know how much your teacher's gonna care, but I just know what it's supposed to be, and so we're just gonna go off of that. Okay. So I love the fact that you're using the dash on the 43. You put a dash when you have a two-digit number. Okay. So for example, right here we have 43. And so you're going to split the 40 with the 3 just like that. That is perfect. Now, what we're going to do next is you see how it has this comma right here? Then on your thing, you need a comma right here as well. So you're going to put 43 million, just kidding. And then here you're going to put the comma. There's the 43 million. Now remember, I said you only put the dash between the two numbers. So the 43 does need a dash. The million part does not need a dash. So you're going to get rid of that right there. Okay. Same thing with this. Here, you don't need a dash, and it says 80,000. Because this two-digit number doesn't have like, it's not 81 or 82, you don't need to put a dash. We're just going to write 80,000. Here's another comma. So after the 80,000 right here, I'm going to put a comma. And again, you don't need the dash right there. So again, like what I'm trying to say is like the numbers are perfect, right? 43 million, good. Because 43 is a two-digit number, you put a dash between the 40 and the 3. So 43 million, comma, 80,000, comma, 700. And if you do it like that, you should be good. But as far as the numbers are concerned, you did a really good job with that. Okay, as far as in 3 through 5, write the values of the given digits. The twos, that's 2,200. That one is perfect. Very nicely done. That is 9,900,000. That is perfect. That is nicely done. That's going to be 440 and 4. That was perfectly done as well. All right, write this in expanded form. 10 million plus 2 million plus. Oh, we're so close. You see this one? So when you did the 4, right, you're going to do the 4, and everything else is going to become a 0, which means you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And right here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're missing a 0 right here. That 3 needs to change into a 0. And so now you have 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, 3. 1, you're missing a 0, comma, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're missing a 0 on that one. And then on the 30,000, it looks like a 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. This one's fine. So the only one you need to fix is this one right here. You're missing a 0. Write this in expanded form. I think on these ones you did really well. So 3 times 10 to the 5th, that looks good. 3 times 10 to the 4th, that looks good. 7 times 10 to the 3rd, that looks good. 6 times 10. Now I know that you were doing this right. I can see it and you erased it. You do need a 10 right there. The only thing I don't know with your teacher, and it just depends. Like me, I would be like, that's fine. 10 to the first is okay. But 10 to the first is the exact same thing as 10. And they kind of show you this in the notes over here. Do they show you in the notes? Nope, they don't show you in the notes. Do they show you in the notes? They might be showing you right there, but I'm not even sure. If I were you, I would leave the 1 there. Just know they might say, oh, you don't need the 1, okay? But yeah, just leave it like that. Just leave it like that. I think you're good. And then the last one, I think I did see a mistake. This part is good. The 50,000 part, that's good. Okay, and let's see. Write the number name for 3,152,308. Okay, 3 million. Good. 3 million is perfect. You see how they use the comma right there for 3 million? That means you need a comma as well. 3 million, comma, 100. Remember, we don't put the dash at the 100, but we do put the dash at the 52. So 150 dash 2. 52 what? oh my, you missed the word. 152,000. And because I finished the 152,000 and there's a comma, we need to put a comma after the 1,000. And then the rest of it, 300, 300, I don't need a dash. 308, you don't need a dash because again, that's just 08. That's not a two-digit number, okay? You better learn how to spell eight, you little girl. Look at what's going on right here. EIGHT. Okay, and I think that's all the things that you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out. It's a video, Madison, so if I went too fast, you can always pause the video. And hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know.